In today's video, we're going to learn the days of the week in Hungarian, how to say week and weekend, and how to say on Monday, on Tuesday, at the weekend, and so on. Hello everyone and welcome to Hungarian with Adriana. In this lesson, you'll not only learn the days of the week, but also how to use them in real sentences. We'll practice with 3 essential verbs. It is, I work, and I rest. And you'll learn a grammar ending that means on in Hungarian. Let's start with the days of the week. Repeat after me. Hétfő, kedd, szerda, csütörtök, péntek, szombat, vasárnap. And the word for week is hét, which is also the word for the number 7. And weekend is hétvége. Simple so far, right? Now let's see how to say on Monday, on Tuesday, etc. In English we use a separate word, on. But Hungarian is an agglutinative language, which means that words are modified by adding endings or suffixes. In simple terms, instead of using a separate word like on, we attach an ending to the noun that has the meaning of on. Most of the time there will be 2 to 4 different forms of an ending a word can take, sometimes 5. There are 4 possible endings that can mean on in Hungarian. N, the letter N, on, en, and ön. The name of this noun case is the superessive case. A noun case shows what role a word has in a sentence. Let's look at how this works with the days of the week. Hétfőn, kedden, szerdán, csütörtökön, pénteken, szombaton, vasárnap. Now, what decides which of these endings we use? In Hungarian, we have to pay attention to something called vowel harmony. Basically, the vowels inside a word decide what kind of ending it takes, so that all vowels harmonize with each other. There are 2 main types of vowels in Hungarian. Back vowels, a, o, u, and front vowels, e, i, ö, ü. Front vowels can be divided further. Unrounded front vowels, e, and rounded front vowels, ü, ü. The vowels e and e are technically front vowels because they are formed at the front of the mouth, but they are considered neutral vowels in vowel harmony because they don't determine whether a word is a back or front vowel type. In general, the last vowel in a word decides which ending we use, unless it's e or e, in which case the other vowels in the word decide. A back vowel word that ends in a consonant takes the back vowel ending on, and a front vowel word that ends in a consonant takes a front vowel ending n or ön. And if a word ends in a vowel, we just add the letter n. Let's break it down by looking at the days of the week again in their superessive form, or in their on form. Hétfő is a front vowel word because it only has front vowels, e and ö. It ends in a vowel, so we just add the letter n. Hétfőn. So in this case, we don't have to worry about whether it's a back or front vowel word. Kedd is also a front vowel word because it has the front vowel e. And since it ends in a consonant, and the last vowel is an unrounded front vowel, we add the unrounded front vowel ending n. Kedden. Szerda is a mixed vowel word because it has a front vowel, e, and a back vowel, a. But since the last letter is a vowel, we don't have to worry about that because we just add the letter n. Also, when a word ends in the vowel a, we have to change it to a before we add any endings to it. So szerda will become szerdá, and then we add n. Szerdán. Csütörtök is a front vowel word because it only has front vowels. Ü, ö. And the last vowel is a rounded front vowel, ö. Therefore, we add the rounded front vowel ending, ön. Csütörtökön. Péntek is a front vowel word because it only has front vowels, e, e. And the last vowel is an unrounded front vowel, e. So we add the unrounded front vowel ending, n. Pénteken. Szombat is a back vowel word because it only has back vowels, o, a. So it takes the back vowel ending, on. Szombaton. Vasárnap is also a back vowel word as it only has back vowels, a, a. But vasárnap is an exception and it doesn't need an ending to mean on Sunday. So it stays vasárnap. To say this week, we literally say this the week. Ez a hét. Ez a hét. Ez means this and a means the. But when we want to say this week in a sentence like I'm working this week, we have to use the on form and say on this week. So we'll attach the endings to both ez and hét. Both are front vowel words with unrounded front vowels, so we'll add the ending n. Ezen a héten. Ezen a héten. The weekend is a hétvége. A hétvége. And to say at the weekend, or in American English, on the weekend, we need to use the on form. Since hétvége ends in a vowel, we just have to add the letter n, but we have to change e to e before adding it. So hétvége will become hétvégé plus n. A hétvégén. Now let's put these words into sentences. First using is. To say it is Monday, we'll have to say Monday is. There is no word for the subject pronoun it in Hungarian, and the verb is van. So how would you say it is Monday? Hétfő van. It is Wednesday. Szerda van. It is Friday. Péntek van. It is the weekend. Hétvége van. Well done. So you just put van after the day of the week, and that's it. Write down in the comments what day it is for you today as you're watching this video. Now let's practice a few sentences using the verbs dolgozom, which means both I work and I'm working, and pihenek, which means both I rest and I'm resting. There is no present continuous ing form in Hungarian. By the way, you might also hear Hungarian people say dolgozok instead of dolgozom. Both mean the same thing. Dolgozom is the more grammatically correct form, but dolgozok is accepted and many Hungarians use it in everyday conversation. So you can use either one. I personally use dolgozom. To say I'm working on a Monday, we have to say on Monday I work. Hétfőn dolgozom. Hétfőn dolgozom. How would you say I'm working on Tuesday? Kedden dolgozom. I'm working on Friday. Pénteken dolgozom. I'm working this week. Ezen a héten dolgozom. Well done. To say I'm resting on Saturday, we'll say on Saturday I rest. Szombaton pihenek. How would you say I'm resting on Wednesday? Szerdán pihenek. I'm resting at the weekend. A hétvégén pihenek. I'm resting on Sunday. Vasárnap pihenek. To make these negative, we simply add the word for no, which is nem, in front of the verb. So I don't work or I'm not working is nem dolgozom. Nem dolgozom. And I don't rest or I'm not resting is nem pihenek. Nem pihenek. How would you say I'm not working on Thursday? Csütörtökön nem dolgozom. I'm not working this week. Ezen a héten nem dolgozom. I'm not resting this weekend. Ezen a hétvégén nem pihenek. Well done! Let me know in the comments in Hungarian what days you're working, not working, or resting this week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you'd like to improve your Hungarian, let me invite you to my Hungarian Jumpstart course. It's a 2-hour beginner-friendly audio course that's designed to get you speaking real Hungarian from your very first lesson. I'll leave the link with more information in the description below. Thank you for watching, I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!